Traditional yarns push dirt around. Microfiber lifts it away. With wedge-shaped fibers 100 times thinner than human hair, Micropolx Microfiber wipes are designed to trap particles deep within the yarn structure. Engineered for clean rooms and sensitive environments, Micropolx wipes remove particles, bacteria, and oily residues, often with little or no solvent. Choose from a full range of Micropolx configurations. 1100 for soft, scratch-sensitive surfaces, 1900 for bacterial and particle removal, 2750 for ultra-fine performance, 4000 HP for tough, oily residues. Trusted across healthcare, biotech, pharmaceutical, aerospace, and semiconductor industries, Micropolx wipes deliver exceptional performance where cleanliness is critical. Elevate your cleaning standards. Discover the power of Micropolx Microfiber wipes.